Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the one secret that I use to get youthful, glowing, moisturized looking skin. Now this is going to surprise many people because I'm talking today about oil cleansing, and this is probably something that you've never heard before. But if you want to learn more about how to cleanse your skin with oil and never use soap on your skin again, stay tuned. What is oil cleansing and how beneficial this can be? It might sound like a major misstep to you, but there are many benefits to gain in using oil to clean your skin. You've probably come across plenty of warnings about avoiding oil on your face, and it might stand to reason that only oil-free products lead to clear, gorgeous, beautiful skin. But did you know that the most effective way to cleanse your skin and keep it hydrated is by using oil? Two of the most commonly used oils to clean your skin are olive oil and castor oil. And those are the two oils I'll be demonstrating in my DIY today. Just a disclaimer out there, guys. I'm not a dermatologist. These experiences are my personal experiences, my personal testimony on how I've used these products or these methods or these recipes for myself and my family. So I hope you'll be inspired. One of the things I was curious about when I just started my skincare routine is, how does oil cleanse my skin? And the answer to that was surprising. The oil bonds to the oil on your skin and the dirt to remove all that gunk from your skin. It also acts as a barrier to protect your skin and keeps it soft and moisturized. The traditional facial cleanser strips your skin of all the good and bacteria. But oil cleansing protects your skin. It creates a barrier on your skin and it keeps all the good bacteria and microbes on your skin. I use plant-based oils for deep cleansing my skin, because plant-based oils have many benefits to your skin. It can promote wound healing, protection against inflammation, antioxidant properties, slow the effects of aging. It creates a protective barrier on your skin. And even some scientists agrees that it protects against cancer. Now that you're going to have to take up with those scientists. Let's talk about some of the oils that you can use to do oil cleansing. There are two versions that you can actually use. You can purchase a pre-made version, or you can do a DIY version, which I will show you how to prepare today. Oils that you choose to do your oil cleansing are very important. They need to be of high quality. This will ensure the greatest amount of antioxidant, free fatty acids, phospholipids, triglycerides, and phenolic compounds. There are many oils, plant-based oils, that you can use as a part of your oil cleansing routine, and these include olive oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, rosehip oil, safflower seed oil, argan oil, soybean oil, peanut oil, and sesame seed oil. Now for the fun part. How do I mix my oil for my facial cleansing? For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to be using extra virgin olive oil. There are no special virgin. This is just one brand from Costco. I'm also going to be using castor oil. I like to use the Jamaican black castor oil, but this is the one that I have here today. I did mention previously that I'll be using 1 and 1, which are equal portions of each oil to make my oil blend. I like to use olive oil because it is very moisturizing and it's rich in vitamins and antioxidants. It does promote hydration, keeps my skin very hydrated and moisturized. So I use 1 spoon of extra virgin olive oil, and the second one I'm going to be using is my castor oil. So I'm going to be mixing these oils together, and what I'm basically going to be doing is I'm going to be applying these oil before wetting my face. I'm going to use my fingertips to gently massage the oil into my skin for several seconds to a minute to remove all the impurities such as makeup and dead cells and allow the oils to penetrate. After that, I'm going to be using a damp, warm washcloth to gently wipe away the oil until everything has been removed from my skin. Now guys, regardless of the oils that you're going to be using, it is important that you purchase high quality oils and cleansers without scents or dyes. And you also want to make sure that the oils that you're going to be using are not food grade oils such as vegetable oil. And you want to choose oils that are cold pressed, unrefined, virgin's oil that are designed for your skin. Now this particular olive oil, castor oil, did say that it's a skin softener. So this might also be a good one to use. Okay, so I think my oils are ready to go. As always, before you apply anything to your skin, you always want to do a patch test to make sure there are no irritation or breakouts. And here's how to do a patch test. First, you apply a small amount of oil to a less visible section of your face or your skin, such as behind your ear or your arm. You leave the area for 24 hours. You check for signs of irritation, including itching, swelling, inflammation, or changes in skin color. If there are no noticeable changes, you can try using the oil or cleansing product on the rest of your face.
What I'm doing it in circular motion. I'm just massaging the oil in my skin in circular motion. And I'm doing my neck in upward strokes. And I do this for approximately 5 minutes. Just to loosen up all the dirt and grime off my skin. So next, I'm going to go and use my rag. And I gradually remove the grime of my skin. You can see. And I keep removing it from my skin. Keep removing it. I gently wipe my face. I'm not tugging too hard. Okay. I'm trying to clean all aspects, all parts of my skin. If I feel like I need to clean my skin some more, I just apply some more oils. And so I just keep on cleaning my face. See, this is less. It gets less and less, which means that the oils are actually working to remove the gunk from my skin or the dirt from my skin, or all the foundation, all the makeup that I have on my skin, all the powder. Everything is being removed. And as you can see, it's becoming less compared to this side. Now it's becoming much less on this side. Okay. Now, sometimes if I'm wearing a lot of foundation or a lot of makeup, I can actually keep doing this process until I'm satisfied. Okay. So guys, as you can see, my face is completely cleaned. All the grime and the dirt has been completely removed. See?
Now guys, if you learned something about oil cleansing today, like the video so that others will be inspired by it. This is a new method. This is something that has kept my face moisturized all year round. And this is good news for every one of us. Now, if you're not yet a part of the family, I invite you to become a part of the family. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of us. And as always, cheers to great health and great looking skin from Journey to Health with Ceels. See you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.